Hey everybody, it's Annette Green, ambassador to Graphic 45, and today I'm talking about my 12th annual holiday workshop. I can't believe this is my 12th. Been doing this a long time. I thought I'd give you a closer look at everything, so I'm going to do a short little YouTube video and share. And then I'll give you the details about the workshop itself. First of all, it is an all-day event. We will be using Christmas Magic 12x12 collection from Graphic 45. We're going to use Christmas Magic ephemera cards and chipboard and the 12x12 patterns and solids, just to name a few things. Okay, and here's what everybody gets to make. Okay, everybody makes all this stuff in the class. So these cards are 5x7. They're going to make two identical 5x7 cards. The insides are always decorated with some more ephemera. And everyone gets envelopes for the cards too. Everything's pre-cut, pre-scored, directions, color photos. So they will also make two of these 5x7 cards. Two of these 5x7 cards. I try to switch it up from vertical to horizontal style. So they're going to make two of these. And two of these. Okay, so after they make the cards, then they're going to make 4 large tags. These are Graphic 45 tags with the ephemera and some stamping. So make 4 large tags. Then they're going to make 20 small tags, and they're all going to be little cuties like this. There's 5 of that style. There's 4 different styles. There's another one. And here's another one of these little cuties all cut out. Everyone's going to cut their own out. I'm not crazy. Those little guys, aren't they cute? Little cupies. And then these little guys. So 5 of each of the 4 designs, different colors, different styles. And then they will make 4 gift card holders, 2 and 2. One style will look like this. It's basically got your chipboard and your ephemera, and it's a little envelope. This one has a little figure 8 closure. And inside the little pocket will be the gift card itself. Well, they won't get the gift card. They'll get the holder. Okay, so 2 of those and 2 of this style. This has a magnetic closure and the same type of thing going on the inside, just some different colors. So they'll make 2 of those. And finally, they always make, every year we do a couple of like treat holders. So this one is just a simple little basket. I've got some cookies in there just to show you what could go in there, but it could be like a little pair of socks or a little gift, candies, what have you. And then they'll make this cute little sleigh. This is a Lori Whitlock file that I use on my Cricut machine. Cute, huh? Okay, so this is how it's going to work this year. It is $105, which includes lunch. And we are talking about 2018. So it's November 10th. That's a Saturday here in Melbourne, Florida. That's Central Florida, kind of East Coast. 2018, like I said. And so how it's going to work is I have made my list here. Okay, this is all the people I've got signed up already. There's 27 who are actually coming, and the people who actually come get first priority. So I want to fill the class up to 50 people. If I don't, then I have a wish list for a kit back here. There's already 18 people on the wish list for a kit. That's only if I don't fill all 50 seats for the class. So if you are interested, love to have you, just contact me, email me, write me here in the comments section. I will send you, I will attach the link in the directions below so that you can see more details as far as where the location is, what's around the area, everything that's included. Again, a nice big picture of everything. And hopefully anything else you might want to know will be in that blog post, so I'll put that link there. So hope you like the projects. I would love to have you join us. Like I said, it's the 12th annual. It's very popular. And maybe not this year. If not this year, then maybe next year. All right, thanks everybody. Bye.